Hi broke bitches. Today I'm gonna show you guys my new hair blow dryer. This is my new Dyson hair blow dryer. I got it in the white and silver. As you can see, it also comes with these accessories to style your hair. And I'm gonna show you guys how to blow dry your luscious, thick hair if you have any. So I'm going to start off by detangling my hair. Brush my gorgeous, luscious hair out. Right now I have the color purple in. Okay, so now that my hair is all combed out, now it's time for the real action. Now mind you, if you have 3 pieces of hair, it will not take you this long to brush your hair. So now I'm going to get my hair dryer set up. So now I have it all plugged in. This is what it looks like. Once again, I chose it in silver and white. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna add this accessory onto it to blow dry my hair. Oh, and it's a magnet, and that's on period poo. Please let me know if your broke ass blow dryer does this, if it's a magnet. So now I'm just going to go ahead and turn this on. It does have different options right here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It comes with the on button. It looks like the level of intensity to cool it, and some red button that I do not know what it is, but I will read the manual and let you guys know. Wow. Wow. Whoa, I'm sorry. I had to take a quick second. This is very iconic for me, honestly. It has a lot of power. Wow. Wow. Honestly. Let's try the different levels. A lower level. A much lower level. Okay, and just off doing this, it already blow dried this first portion, so it didn't take much to get this pretty dry. Let's put it back on full speed. So the red button is for the intense of the heat, so if you want it hotter. So I had it was automatically set to the highest setting of hotness, so I'm going to put it down a little bit. It honestly blow dries amazingly. Once again, this might be much quicker for you if you have 3 strands of hair, but I'm ethnic, therefore I have a lot of thick, luscious hair. Wow, honestly. Look at that, it's already dry right here. This front piece is already dry. Let's try the cool option. Oh. Wow, my hair smells amazing. As you can see, it's already very dry. It usually takes me about 45 minutes to blow dry my hair. This might be cutting it in half for me. I want to try it without the accessory, which I don't know. How do you take this off? Oh yeah, it's just the magnet again. Whoa. Oh Lord. It blows just much harder, so you don't really need the full strength. So I'm going to turn it down a bit. But to show you guys the difference, so this is in the medium setting. If I do the hardest setting, this is what it is. So you can see my hair does move more. This is honestly very iconic for me. I like it much better though, I must say, with the accessory, as you can have more control over it. Wow, my hair's already dry. That did not take long. As you can see, it's already dry. This has literally taken me about 3 minutes. Mind you, it normally takes me about 45 minutes or so to blow dry my hair with the normal hair dryer. I bought this blow dryer at Ulta. Once again, I got it in the white and the silver. It does come with 2 other colored options. As you can see, my hair's already pretty dry. Wow, under 5 minutes, honestly. That's pretty iconic. Wow, my hair looks extravagant. I can sense the richness already. And I'm just going to blow dry the rest of it. And it's leaving my hair pretty freaking straight. And what I am noticing from my regular blow dryer to this one is that my hair's not as frizzy. Normally, when I blow dry my hair, it ends up pretty frizzy, but this one's like pretty straight. As you guys can see, nothing has changed. And it's pretty dry already. Start working on the other side. I'm honestly very impressed. I'm not usually easily impressed, so this is a very big deal to me. I must say, my sister thought I was pretty stupid for purchasing such an expensive hair dryer, but I must say it's worth your time, as my hair is drying in under 5 minutes. I think it's going to take me a total of about 10-15 minutes to blow dry my entire hair from my head. And may I mention once again that it normally takes me about 45 minutes. And I'm pretty sure that if I took the styling off of it, this styling accessory, it would blow dry even faster. So if you think about it, it is worth your money, because if you're saving 30 minutes a day to not have to blow dry your hair, think about it. If you make about $15 an hour, that's 30 minutes is about $7 an hour. So think about your money, honestly. This blow dryer is about 400 bucks. I have some gift cards for my birthday that I used on it. And then also I have a friend that works at Ulta who was able to give me her employee discount. So I ended up paying about $180 for the blow dryer, and it originally goes for $400 flat. So I think I got a pretty good deal on it. My hair's pretty much done, and my camera is showing that I've been blow drying my hair for about 9 minutes. It's almost done. I'm doing the back portion now. But it's pretty much done. I'm very impressed. Now let me brush it out. It's pretty much done. It's all dry. What I can say, my hair is much flatter than it normally is. So to be honest, I don't even think I would need to straighten my hair if I add some product to it. So it would save you the heat from having to straighten your hair. Let me add some product. I'm going to use this right here. I do have purple hair, so I do use these products for my hair. My hands are a little purple from my hair. So I guess I should clean my blow dryer because it is a little purple. But yeah, I'm pretty much done. Under 10 minutes, I blow dried my hair. As you can see, it's super straight. Look at that. Wow. Honestly. Super straight. I wouldn't need to straighten this. And this is the final product. Mind you, I have really thick hair, and this blow dryer dried it in under 10 minutes. I'm highly impressed. And that was all for today. So, do I recommend this product? Yes. 20 out of 10. It was definitely worth my money. It does come, once again, with several different features that you can set it on. And yeah, I really enjoyed this hair dryer. And then what I really like about it is that the cord is really thick as well. So it's not going to rip easily. It looks pretty durable. I think they make some kind of case for it. But it does seem very, very durable. So I do like the quality of it. I liked the way it worked. And honestly, I would recommend this. If you have some extra cash laying around and you want to purchase a good blow dryer, I definitely do recommend this Dyson hair dryer. Once again, under 10 minutes to blow dry my thick, luscious, fabulous hair. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Honestly. I don't even know what to say. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. And I will keep you guys updated on different products.